Peace to humanity. I love you all. In a world filled with chaos and division, it is important to remember the power of love and unity. We are all connected, regardless of our differences. We all share this planet and must work together to create a better future for ourselves and future generations. It is easy to get caught up in the negativity and hatred that surrounds us, but we must rise above it. We must choose love over fear, compassion over judgment, and understanding over ignorance. Every individual has the capacity to make a positive impact on the world. It starts with small acts of kindness and empathy towards others. It starts with listening to one another with an open heart and mind. It starts with recognizing the humanity in each and every person we encounter. We are all in this together. We are all part of the human family. Let us embrace our differences and celebrate our similarities. Let us spread love and kindness wherever we go. Let us be the change we wish to see in the world. Peace to humanity. I love you all.